Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model, storage size, and exact purchase date because insurers limit eligibility windows. Once you have serial or EMA and the receipt, compare coverage tiers, choose $0 deductible for full replacement or a lower-cost partial plan if budget matters. Make sure to check whether the phone has existing damage. Pre-existing issues often void claims. Now create accounts on insurer and Apple ID sites so you can quickly provide information during the quote and enrollment steps. Once done gathering docs, request quotes from Apple Care Plus, your carrier, and 2 third-party insurers to compare apples to apples. Look at monthly versus annual pricing, deductibles, per claim caps, and the number of allowed claims per year. These affect long-term cost. Also verify theft and loss inclusion, international coverage, and authorized repair options. These determine convenience and out-of-pocket expenses. Make sure to read how pre-approval works for replacements so you aren't surprised during a claim. Now enroll. Input EMA/serial, upload receipt, select coverage, and pay the initial premium. This finalizes protection. After enrollment, enable required settings like Find My iPhone and a secure passcode because insurers often require them for theft/loss claims. Make sure you store confirmation, policy number, and customer service contacts in a safe place. If a claim is denied, document the denial, ask for a written reason, and escalate to a supervisor or consumer protection agency as the key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.